Now let me see what you can do.
没有
There
什
is
么
nothing
分布头
this
解决不了的
attachment head can.
Hab die ganze Welt gesehen, von Singapur bis Aberdeen. Wenn du mich fragst, wo es am schönsten war, sag ich Sansibar. Es war eine harte Überfahrt, 10 Wochen nur das Deck geschrubbt, hab die Welt verflucht, in den Wind gespuckt und salziges Wasser geschluckt.
Fix? Well, the main body is basically done, right? I wanna see what you do next.
Als wir den Anker warfen, war es himmlische Ruhe und die Sonne stand senkrecht am Himmel. Als ich über die Reling sah, da glaubte ich zu träumen. Da waren 1000 Boote und sie hielten auf uns zu. In den Booten waren Männer und Frauen, ihre Leiber glänzten in der Sonne. Und sie sangen ein Lied, das kam mir seltsam bekannt vor. Aber so, was ich noch nie
怎么样？
So,
开始
how
效
is
果
it?
像样了吧
It's starting to look decent, right? Now we're starting to make the tires. I'm exhausted. And my shoulders are starting to feel uncomfortable again. Come on, I'll press for you. Relax a bit. Wow, this really feels so comfortable to use. Which? The small one. This massage gun can feel this good, and it even has so many heads. Last night I checked, this Viva 16-head massage gun has sold several million units, and it's only a bit over 100. This massage head is really powerful and strong. It presses fast, deep, and really feels great. You don't need to ask anyone else to help. You can use it on yourself. Actually, for the parts of your lower back and shoulders you can't reach, you just press wherever it aches.
确实好用。
Of course, it sells well. Yeah, it's really useful, and you can take it wherever you go. It's especially cost effective. Buy one, and the whole family can use it. I have to say, here, you press it yourself. I'll keep working. Refine. Using tire rubber to increase its friction. It's lit up. Start spraying the paint. The car is already fully assembled and you're still over. There, pressing that. That massage really is comfortable. It feels like it's still missing a bit of soul. Don't rush, the colored lights are the soul. We still have to give them a bit of a sense of ceremony when they pick up the car. You really thought this through. Remember when you came to pick me up? You didn't say a word, just opened it and went, wow. Why? This way. Even if life occasionally leaves scars, wisdom can grow from them, right? I remember you coming. I remember you coming.
也能从里面长出新枝桠，对吗？